Welcome back viewers. Today we are diving into fundamental concept of Tableau measure and dimensions. Understanding these two elements is crucial for building insightful and powerful visualization. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's clarify the difference between measures and dimension in Tableau. You can see this part is called dimension and this one is called measures. Measures generally represent quantitative or numerical data, while dimension represent categorical or qualitative data. Now, measures in Tableaus are all about numbers. They represent the quantitative data that you want to analyze, aggregate, and perform mathematical operations on. Some common examples of measures include sales revenue, profit, quantity sold, number of sales store, etc. Here, when you drag a field on the column or row shelf in Tableau, it is a numerical value. It automatically recognized as a measure. Tableau automatically aggregate measures based on the visualization type you choose. For example, when you place total sales measure on the view, it might show as a sum of all the sales value in respect of the product categories. Now let's move on to the dimensions, which provide context and categorization for your measures. They represent the categorical or qualitative data in your dataset. Common examples of dimension include product category, customer name, region, date, etc. When you add a field to the column or row shelf, it contains categorical data. Tableau automatically recognized it as a dimension. Dimensions play a crucial role in breaking down and segmenting your data. They enable you to view your measures in different contexts and help you to understand the characteristics of your data better. Now let's see how measure and dimension work together to create meaningful visualization. Let's consider an example where we want to analyze total sales by product category. Here, total sale is our measure and product category is our dimension. By dragging sales revenue to the column shelf and product category to the row shelf, Tableau automatically aggregates the total sales revenue against each product category. You can see it here. You can also add more dimension to the visualization, allowing for further segmentation of the data and more profound insights. Hope this episode clear your understanding about measures and dimension in Tableau. Remember, measures are your numerical data and dimensions are your categorical data that provides context and categorization. Mastering this concept will help you to create powerful and insightful visualization in Tableau. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Thank you.